In today's video, we're showing you guys SolidFace's new drawing environment. On the tab file, on Sheet and Template Operation, we have two inserts for the sheet and the drawing. On both, we can add any quantity of sheets, whether they're A4, A3, ANSI, A, etc. Now, viewports are created with scales and specific viewpoints on the sheet space option. The drawing area and the sheet view are separated into two tabs, Drawing and Format. As a standard, the sheets are printed on a scale of 1:1. They can also be printed on a scale close to the one entered on the viewport. So, on the drawing sheet, the sheets are inputted with the desired scale, and the drawing is made from that point. However, the detail scales and viewpoints are defined by the user in the drawing area. The print is made from the scale of the inserted sheet. Now, we're going to show you how to insert a sheet detailing with the template space option active. Habilitate the template option below and then click twice on the sheet you'd like to add. You can add either the software standard sheets or those created by the user. So here we have two tabs, the sheet templates, where the template is saved as a template format extension. To add another sheet, choose this window. Now, the new sheet will always be added to a new group on the Sheet Templates tab. Let's choose the A2 format as an example. The sheet will be active on that group on the side. Down here, we have both windows, Sheet and Drawing, where the user can define a new viewport on the sheet window. If you want to edit your details, you just need to click on the Drawing option. After making the alteration, go back to the Sheet option and create a detailed viewport, where the scale will be 1:1. Are you with me? Now we'll repeat the sheet adding process. Click on the Template tab and select the A4 sheet. It'll be on a 2:1 scale. A new group will be created automatically. If you need to alter the viewport scale, just click on the Scale option and select or tap a personalized scale. This tool is used to center the viewport model, called Complete View. We also have the Pan tool used to move the drawing and detailing. Right beside it, right here, there's the Zoom tool. Here we have the viewport configurations, and those are the thickness, types of lines, etc. The next three options are references for moving the viewport, enabling the user to have the center as a reference or the ends. Back to the second tool. It can have a specific zoom in the drawing, called Define Zoom. It's possible to add texts and symbols directly from viewport, such as the drawing scale, as an example. As we have more than a group in this detailing, it's possible to be in doubt which one is active. To help you with that, just click on this icon below. It'll change the inactive group's color, leaving the active one highlighted. Remember, you can have as many groups as you'd like. However, only one will be active, which means that only that one will be able to be altered. If you'd like to alternate the active group, you only need to click twice on the sheet or on the group list beside it. If you'd like to edit a specific viewport, you only need to select it and click on the option above. The specific part of the drawing on the viewport will be shown, and when you need to get back to the sheets, click on the Sheet option below. And now, finally, we're moving on to the last part, and that would be printing. To print only the active group, click with the right button on the list and select Less View All, so only the active group will be visible. Then, click on the printer icon and select the PDF creation option. Habilitate the printing preview and activate the device. Then adjust the print scale and click on OK. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. We're always happy to help you out. Well, guys, that's it for today. Remember to subscribe, click the notification bell to receive our alerts for our weekly training videos.